I just met this girl, Sala, at the office, and she was the nicest girl I've met. She's amazing. She didn't. I bought her a lady drink, cost about 101,000 dong. The total bill was only about 200,000, and then she fed me after that as well. She got food. I said I'd bring food to her next time because she's a lovely girl. She's from the Dalat area in the hills. She's gorgeous, and it's just a weird thing, you know. I mean, the office is one of the most mercenary type bars, and she's been working there for a year, and she's anything but. She was great. We got on really well. I guess you could say, use the old cliche of soulmate, I don't know. But, oh God, should I go to another bar? Should I test my luck? I probably shouldn't. That would probably be very dumb because I had a good night so far, and maybe I should just stick with that and go home and basically stick with it. And I've had a few beers. She actually also told me how to get the cheapest beers. She's a really nice girl. People in Dalat are pretty down to earth, I think. And she was just very genuine. She was great. Okay, leaving the madness of suburbia, and going to go along the river today. If this light ever changes. There it is. So it's the hustle and bustle at about 8:30 in the morning. 8:45. Pretty busy, still people commuting in, but heading towards the relative tranquility of the river, which is just behind where I'm staying. So, a bit of a breeze there, so I'll turn the camera around here, try to minimise it a bit. See, look at my ugly mug rather than the streetscape. Yeah, it's quite a hike to the computer repair place. I got a message from them yesterday just saying that they'd actually detected the issue with my Wi-Fi. It was the cable apparently, so it took them some time to find that. I went in, I dropped it off on Monday morning, and it's Thursday morning to collect it. I would have been ready by 5 p.m. yesterday, but that's a really crappy time to go down there. I'd have to have been down there between 5 and 6 is when they shut. So yeah, hopefully this walkway goes the distance. If not, I'll have to divert back into the madness of the urban sprawl. But let's just hope that it goes under those major roads that sort of basically block off the direct route. And this is the Ben Nye River behind us, behind this hedge, and it runs apparently for 80 kilometres through the urban centre of Ho Chi Minh City. So, and apparently there's a lot of businesses along the banks, different types, manufacturing and agricultural and groceries and every type of business, and apparently they're all Chinese owned for some reason. So they seem to have a stranglehold on the business around the river. So there you go. This guy talking about that son. I don't know what he was talking. Old guy on that's almost like an electric scooter, I think. I heard no sound from that. So yeah, I reckon that was electric. That's pretty rare. You don't see that over here. Anyway, so far so good with the walk. There's more footpath ahead, so that's good. And I'll just intermittently, I'll I won't be able to keep this on the whole time because it'll go about half an hour. Moto taxi guys everywhere. What's this dude doing? Oh boy, traffic. Yeah, it's a busy intersection here. Oh, this guy's stopping. That's what bloody van stopped. There you go. Alrighty, this is a bit more shade. That's probably the only downside of this. But it's going to be a difference. Yeah, so you've got a pretty big road network on the other side there too. You've got their major highways running along the river. So, yeah, so that's what we've got here. Such a big city, you just have to go a different direction down one block and you see a whole new part of it. But yeah, there's a lot of CBD, a lot of office development happening over the other side of the river there. There's also supposed to be a really good breakfast place there that does beef steak breakfasts. Get a bit of a rave, a bit of an icon apparently. About 60,000 dong or something. And it's like steak and eggs. It's a bit, sounds very Western actually, but obviously with a Vietnamese twist. Oh god, this doesn't look so good. I wonder, have we got a pathway still? This is always my fear trying this. Oh, we might have. Geez, there's a lot of traffic down here. I don't know if it's a pathway or not. Yeah, it appears to be a pathway. There it is. Jeez, I can't believe how much traffic's down here. It's not the healthiest walk on it. I might go back the other way. Let's see it go. I was hoping for a nice quiet stroll. Oh, fat chance. Not down here, baby. They've got a metalworks here. That's typical manufacturing on the footpath. That's Vietnamese. So, I might turn off now, but it's not particularly good here, but it's not a particularly pleasant walk. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to keep this up. I just want to get under that main bridge and I might just divert back in because this part of the river is not exactly picturesque. Well, I just gave up on the river route. It's great if you like noise and constant sun. So it's just, yeah, there isn't really a viable alternative route. So I'm going to have to do the walk around that the main roads and do that major diversion. I can't really avoid it. This is just horrible walking along the river because it's just a constant stream of traffic. You're getting all the pollution, the noise, and no shade. Not too many negatives, I'm afraid. It's all business down there, I think. It's not picturesque like gentrified rivers would be in the west. Totally different thing. Once we get onto the main road again, I've already filmed that, so I won't bother again. But okay. It's funny that motorbike rider didn't divert quite something. Anyway, I'll leave it at that because I've already filmed this area. I'm back on the tried and true, and I'm in shade, so thank God for that. So hopefully in about 25 minutes, I'll pick up my laptop, and hopefully it won't explode in flames because I left the old battery in there. Well, I mean, it can't be that. It's an Acer. It's not like it's a brand laptop. I've never heard of Acers exploding, so I don't know. I'll roll the dice. And the thing is, it's an old laptop. I don't want to keep putting a brand new battery in an old laptop. I'd just rather buy a new one. I think it's better use of my money. So So once I get back from the trip, I'll get myself a new laptop prior to the following trip overseas. I think that's a much better way of using my limited sort of finances. There we go, I've got to go to this road here. Yeah, it's still a lot of traffic, still morning, it seems like morning peak still happening. Okay, survive that. Hopefully survive the rest of this walk. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.